हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लेने वाले हैं 100 वर्ड पर मिनट इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन। बी रेडी फॉर इट। 10 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, स्टार्ट। Paragraph. Every manufacturing company which does not sell direct to the public has a department of the business which is responsible for selling its product to the shops. The department will be under the control of a sales manager and may be large or small according to the size and type of the business. Some firms cover the whole country with a very small team. Others may have a number of products of different kinds, and each of these may have its own sales force. The members of the sales force are generally known as sales representatives, as each one represents his company in its contacts with the retail trade and takes an active interest in how his firm's goods are moving out across the counter in the shops. The country is usually divided into areas according to the size of the sales force and the number of products to be sold. Paragraph. The time required by a representative to call on all the shops for which he is responsible is sometimes known as journey. The length of a representative's journey varies from firm to firm, but for consumer products, an average journey of 6 to 8 weeks is probably as a fair estimate. This means that the representative expects to call on each of his customers at least once during this time. Careful planning on his part is required if he is to cover the area without a lot of unnecessary traveling, though even so, his plan must allow for the times when an important buyer will be away for the day and there is no alternative but to come back and try again another time. Paragraph. The fact that the big chain stores seem to be increasing at the expense of the individual retailer is likely to have an increasing effect on the size and organization of the manufacturer sales force, with more and more central buying by these big chains. The number and importance of independent shops are steadily decreasing. The final result of all this is bound to be a change of sales force into smaller and more efficient teams. This will almost certainly reduce the manufacturer's selling cost. Dear Sir, paragraph, we are in receipt of your letter of 21st April inquiring the terms and conditions for our sole agency. In reply, we would like to make the following offer to you as our sole agents in your town. Paragraph. On all cash transactions, we would allow you 20% commission, and on running accounts, it would be 10%. Of course, if an amount is paid within 30 days from the date of transaction, we may be able to allow a commission, say, at the rate of 15%, but after the expiry of that time, it would not be possible for us to allow you more than 10%. Paragraph. All goods will be sent direct to you in cases, and it should be checked up with our invoice. If you find that any mistakes have been committed as to the quality or the quantity of the materials received by you, kindly let us know as early as you can. On receiving your complaint, we shall at once dispatch duplicate goods to you and take up the matter with our packers. The empty cases must be returned to us as early as possible, which can be put to constant use. Please send these cases carriage forward. Paragraph. With regard to the advertisement matter, if you decide to take up our goods as sole agents in your area, we shall print calendars bearing your name and address, and we trust you will be able to dispose of this to our mutual benefit. Paragraph. Assuring you of our best attention at all times and thanking you, yours faithfully,